In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove the scroll bar in Wix Studio. This can be a handy trick if you're looking to create a cleaner, more streamlined look for your website. Whether you've encountered a pesky horizontal scroll bar or an unwanted vertical scroll, I'm here to guide you through the process step by step. Let's dive right in. First things first, you'll want to open your site in the Wix Studio editor. Once you're in, the next step is to identify and select the section, container, or page where the scroll bar is appearing. This is crucial because scroll bars can show up in different parts of your design, and we want to make sure we address the specific area where the issue is present. Now, once you've selected the section or container in question, you should locate the inspector. To do that, simply click on the Open Inspector icon. The inspector is an essential tool in Wix Studio, as it gives you access to various settings for the element you're working on. In the inspector, you'll need to navigate to the Layout tab. Under Layout, look for the Overflow Content setting. This is where you'll be able to control the behavior of content that extends beyond the boundaries of its container. To remove the scroll bar, change the Overflow Content setting from Show or Show plus Scroll to Hide. By doing this, the overflow content will not be visible, effectively removing the scroll bar. In some cases, you might need to address the entire page rather than just a specific section or container. If this is the case, you should select the page layer. You can do this through the Layers panel or by using the breadcrumbs navigation. Once you have the page layer selected, head back to the inspector, locate the Layout section, and adjust the Overflow Content setting to Hide, just as you did before. As we wrap up, there's one more thing to keep an eye on. Make sure that no elements are placed beyond the edge of the page or container. Sometimes that's the hidden culprit behind the overflow and the persistent scroll bars. To double-check this, use the Layers panel. It can help you locate any stray elements that might be spilling out of boundaries. Once you've found them, simply adjust or resize these elements accordingly to ensure everything fits neatly within the page or container. And there you have it. By following these steps, you should be able to gracefully remove those unwanted scroll bars and achieve a sleek look for your site. Thanks for tuning in today. If you found this video helpful, be sure to like and subscribe for more tips and tutorials on optimizing your Wix experience. Happy editing!